Hello guys, good evening. Now it's already almost 5 o'clock anyway in the Philippines. Before we start, I'm talking about last time actually, the angry wife, and that drink is like really good. You can try. That's good for your wife also. You know what I mean. And this another episode of my cocktails again. So again, this from Naked Mixology. Please don't forget to, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button and share in my Facebook page, and I have the Instagram. Again and again I have to say that. But the drinks today that I gonna make actually is the VENOM, and contained with our local brandy. This is the Emperador brandy, and then a local rum. This is the Overproof Rum. This version of 151 or the Ray Nephew or whatever Overproof Rum that This is the version, and you can light the fire. It's gonna be explode right away. It's like gasoline. Blue Curacao over here, and then I got the Creme green, and then I got the sweet and sour. It's a Calamansi and touch of honey and a little bit of sugar. I just add like a little bit of sugar. And by the way, this is the pomegranate flower. This is my mother's house actually. She has the tree in front of the house, and now they're having a flower. So maybe soon they can bear fruits also. I don't know. So this is the pomegranate flower, and again this is the sun-dry lemon. Right. So let me get the ice and the glass. So this is like in the freezer. See, it's frosty glass. So always put in the freezer or chiller, especially the wine glass or the beer glass. You have like really nice presentation, of your glass. And then I'm sure most of you guys, they're gonna love it. It's really fresh, crisp, and it's really cold. But there's some few guests actually doesn't like those like really cold drinks. So that's all about. But mostly 80-70% the guest loves like really chilled drinks, and sometimes frosty, frozen. So ice in the glass, scoop of ice again. I have a scoop, so I have the tongue. I got the Emperador brandy. This brandy actually, I think it's copycat from Spain. Well, if you read the history, actually a long time ago we are being conquered by Spanish, so on Spain long time ago. So there's a lot of now if you go around in the Philippines or here in our town, actually there's still a lot of things that you can say it's like, oh, this Spanish, especially our church. Most of the church, it's like we have a old church in town still, but we're talking about drinks right now. So there's a lot of history down here. So light brandy. So Jigger, and then the Overproof Rum. Inferno. Why it is Inferno? It's burning. It's good for you. But 20. Don't kill the guests. And then about just a drop of this blue Curacao. And then a Jigger, there is Creme de Mint green. You know, there's a drinks they call stinger, and the what is that? The grasshopper. Actually, this is the main ingredients, man. But the balls is really good. See, I'm promoting the balls liqueur. That's a good one. Since I start this job, actually, it's been a long while. The balls company actually is doing good things, you know. So. And then the jigger of the honey calamansi. You can smell it, like minty and greeny, so that's good. Shake it. Strain in the glass. That's a perfect pour, actually. So that's good. And the sun-dry lemon. And here we go. I am about to put this actually, but it will sink, so it's not gonna be good, you know. So I just put it here, so that's good. These are VENOM or VENOM. So cheers guys, again, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and share my Facebook page and Instagram. And thank you so much, and happy weekend guys. So